Lesson 1. At the supermarket.
Hello, John. Welcome to my supermarket.
Hello, Anna. I need milk.
Okay, milk is over there.
Thank you. Do you have eggs?
Yes, one box is $2.
Great. I'll take one.
Okay, do you want bread?
Yes, please. White bread.
Here is your bread.
Thank you. How much is it?
Milk and eggs are $4. Bread is $1. Total is $5.
Okay, here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Do you have apples?
Yes, they are $1 for 3.
Nice. I'll take 3 apples.
Here you are.
Thank you. Is the store open tomorrow?
Yes, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Great. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 2. At the bus stop.
Hello, Anna. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, John. The bus to town.
Nice. Is it late?
No, it's on time.
Good. Do you have a ticket?
Yes, it's $2.
Okay. Is the bus big?
Yes, it has many seats.
Nice. Do you go to town every day?
No, only on Monday.
Okay. What do you do in town?
I visit my friend.
Sounds fun. Is it far?
No, it's a 10-minute ride.
Great. Here comes the bus.
Yes. Do you have a bag?
Yes, it's small.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you, Anna. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 3. At the restaurant.
Hello, John. Welcome to my restaurant.
Hello. I'm hungry.
Great. Do you want rice?
Yes, please. And chicken.
Okay. Do you want water?
Yes. Cold water, please.
Here is your water.
Thank you. Is the food spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Good. I don't like spicy food.
Okay. Your food is ready soon.
Nice. How much is it?
It's $6.
Okay. Can I pay with a card?
Yes. Please insert your card.
Done. Thank you.
Here is your food.
It smells good. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 4. At the doctor's office.
Hello, John. Are you a doctor?
Yes. Welcome, John. Are you sick?
Yes. I have a headache.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
No, just a headache.
All right. Take this medicine.
Thank you. Is it strong?
No. It's safe.
Good. How much is it?
It's free with your card. Nice. Do I take it now?
Yes, with water.
Okay. Do you have water?
Yes, Here is a glass.
Thank you. When do I feel better?
Tomorrow. Rest today.
Okay. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 5. At the movie theatre.
Hello, John. Welcome to the movie theatre.
Hello. I want a ticket.
Okay. What movie?
The funny movie, please.
Great. It's $5.
Okay. Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Nice. Is the movie long?
Yes. 2 hours.
Okay. Do you have popcorn?
Yes. Small or big?
Small, please.
Here is your popcorn.
Thank you. Is it salty?
Yes. A little salty.
Good. I like salty popcorn.
Great. The movie starts soon.
Nice. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 6. At the clothing store.
Hello. Anna, do you sell shirts?
Yes. Welcome to my store.
Great. I need a blue shirt.
Okay. Small or large?
Large, please.
Here is a blue shirt.
Nice. Can I try it?
Yes. The fitting room is there.
Thank you. It fits well.
Good. It's $10.
Okay. Do you have socks?
Yes. They are $2.
I'll take one pair.
Okay. Card or cash?
Cash. Here is $12.
Thank you. Here is your bag.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Come back soon.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 7. At the train station.
Hello, John. Do you want a train ticket?
Yes. To the city, please.
Okay. One ticket is $4.
Great. Is the train fast?
Yes. It takes 20 minutes.
Nice. When is the next train?
At 3 p.m.
Okay. Do I need a card?
No, just the ticket.
Good. Here is $5.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you. Is the train big?
Yes, it has many seats.
Nice. Do you have water?
Yes, it's $1.
I'll take one.
Here is your water.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 8. At the coffee shop.
Hello, Anna. Do you sell coffee?
Yes, welcome to my coffee shop.
Great. I want black coffee.
Okay, hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Do you want sugar?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's $2.
Here is $5.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Nice. Do you have cookies?
Yes, one cookie is $1.
I'll take one.
Here is your cookie.
Thank you. Is it fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Good. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 9. At the pet store.
Hello, John. Do you want a pet?
Yes, I want a fish.
Okay, we have small fish.
Nice. How much is it?
One fish is $3.
Great. Do you have fish food?
Yes, it's $2.
Okay. I'll take one fish and food.
Good. Do you need a bowl?
Yes, please.
A bowl is $5.
Okay. Total is $10.
Yes. Card or cash?
Cash. Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your fish.
Thank you. Is it easy to care for?
Yes. Feed it every day.
Okay. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lesson 10. At the beach.
Hello, Anna. Do you like the beach?
Yes, it's very nice.
Me too. Is the water cold?
No, it's warm today.
Great. Do you swim?
Yes, I like swimming.
Nice. Do you have a towel?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Good. Do you want ice cream?
Yes, please. Vanilla.
Okay. I'll buy 2.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Is the beach busy?
No, it's quiet today.
Nice. Do you have sunglasses?
Yes, they are new.
Cool. Let's swim now.
Okay. Thank you, John.
Have a nice day, Anna.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.